Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about the multiprocessing module in Python. This powerful tool allows you to create, control, and manage subprocesses to write concurrent code for CPU-bound tasks. Let's hop right into it. Python's multiprocessing module allows us to create multiple processes, each having its own Python interpreter and memory space. This is different from threading, as threads share the same memory space. Multiprocessing can be highly effective for CPU-bound tasks, such as calculators and data crunching. Let's explore how to implement this in Python. So let's first start off with a basic example of creating a process using the multiprocessing module. This code starts by importing process from the multiprocessing module. We then define a function, print_func, which will be run in our separate processes. We create a process object and call its start method to start the process, and then we also pass arguments to a process by providing args. The multiprocessing module provides a pool class, which abstracts the task of dividing the work between multiple processes. Here's an example of how we can use it. In this code, we're using the pool.map function to distribute the square function execution to different processes. Pool.map applies the function to all values in the input list and returns an output list. Processes in the multiprocessing module can also communicate with each other. The two main ways of communication are through queues and pipes. Let's take a look at how we can use the queue for interprocess communication. This code shows a simple producer-consumer scenario where the main process is the producer and it creates a worker process as the consumer. The producer puts items into the queue and the consumer retrieves them to print them. Oh, I forget something. Oh, here. Yeah. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video on Python's multiprocessing module. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and we'll catch you in the next one.